a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love.